What is up, guys? My name's Arik and welcome to my channel. So, no, we did not get our Shadow High dolls yet. I'm recording on March 21st. This video will be releasing tomorrow, March 22nd. But I have seen that some of other influencers or other collectors have been receiving them, which is great. Obviously, we're not at that level yet, but MGA, if you want to send us one, we will gladly appreciate it. We will take it and review it and, love it forever and ever. And now rumors are that that one, or that Shadow High dolls, are going to be released in May. I originally said in the previous video that they were going to be released in March. I was wrong. Maybe I was. Although they were released for the other collectors to send to them as PR, which is, I wasn't completely wrong, but I don't know. Anyway, back to this video. This week's videos are going to be dedicated to Skyler. Skyler Bradshaw is one of my favorites, and I originally got her first doll exactly a year ago, for my birthday, and which was a classic, and then now I was able to find some specials on, the cheer one, on the teen one, the winter one, and we're going to be reviewing and unboxing all of those this week. So this is Skyler week, and now let's get started. So this is the very first one. Sorry, I had to adjust the lighting a little bit because I couldn't really show her to you on camera. It was too dark. But this is the first Skyler Bradshaw doll. She is definitely my favorite out of all of them. Almost all of them. I love Amaya too. But yeah, I'm going to unbox her, take her out of this box, and show you everything that's inside. I've unboxed her, but I do want to show you the back. And I don't know, I'm assuming a lot of you have seen it, but I do love that there's this metallic, or what would you say? It's a holographic little rainbow, and it has all of our main girls in the back. And then in the front, you can see it has Skyler Bradshaw's name, and then it has a little description, which I'll leave here so you can kind of put pause. So she and her outfits come individually wrapped, and I love that she has like that holographic rainbow design in the back. I absolutely hate these because they are such a pain sometimes to remove, and I'm always scared that one of their hands are going to break off, or their legs, or it's going to mess up their hair. But I do plan on keeping their outfits in their boxes, but I will show you what they are. Also, I'm going to show you the stands as well. So before we start dissecting her and reviewing, I'm going to show you guys her little stand. So she comes with, this little bag comes with a stand and some hangers for her clothing. So it's blue, little glittery stand, and it comes with the top, or actually the actual stand itself, which goes, I'm always confused as to how they actually go. And then you put this one up here, and then separately, or in a little smaller bag, you get a few hangers. So you get the regular hanger, and then you get this one that comes with the clips for either her skirt or her trousers, which I think is super cute. And we are going to set these aside, set the stand aside, and we are going to show you this beautiful Skyler Bradshaw doll. She is honestly beautiful. I think I'm so glad I took her out. Because I don't think I would have appreciated her as much. I do notice right away that the back part of her hair is tied up in a ponytail. And then the front of it is, I mean, the sides of it work to the front, obviously for the packaging and all of that. So her hair is a little stiff in the bottom, but nothing some shampoo and conditioner can't fix. I will probably wash her hair to kind of make it smoother. And I am going to show you her makeup and her earrings and all of that. So she's wearing 2 blue moon earrings with some stars. And then her makeup is some different shades of blue, some pale blue. I don't know if you can see that right there. And then she has light pink colored lipstick. I love their eyes. And then their eyelashes are rooted lashes. That always slips my mind. And then her little outfit is a jean skirt with some holographic silver designs on the side. She's got a jean jacket with her little top that is also has, it's 2 tops. It has the jean top and then the white one. I'm not sure if they both are detachable or like if it's a 3-piece as far as the tops of it, but I'm going to find out and show you. But before we do, I'm going to show you her shoes, which are freaking cool. They are like, seriously, they're like a clear blue, or like they look literally remind me of like an ice. And then the bottom, the soles are like a sky blue, and then they has blue. It has blue in the bottom. It says blue right here in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully it's focusing. And then I do believe that her belt says rainbow on it. I don't know if you can see that. It says rainbow on it. Let's go ahead and check if her jacket is... Okay, so her jacket, the jean top, and then the white top are all 3 separate pieces, which I guess you can mix and match all of them along with these. So I'm going to briefly try to take this part out, or not, but yeah, I'm gonna untape it just so I can show you what they look like. So the second outfit comes with a white top that has rainbow on the sides, and then it's a little dress, a little blue dress, and it is like a leather-ish material. And then you can see all the designs, or all the details and the zippers and all of this. And then the shoes come with some socks, and I don't know if you can see that, but the shoes are it comes with the socks, and then they have like a little, like a ribbon or something on the orange on the side, which is great. And I honestly, I don't want to take it out because I display them right next to the I've been displaying them right next to the doll once I put them up. And then I forgot to mention, but she does come with a comb, and honestly, I do like these combs because the teeth aren't so close together, and it does help with their actually with styling their hair right after. And it does say rainbow on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it does have it as part of it. And this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which classic rainbow dolls you have. Like I mentioned, I am going to be reviewing all of my Skyler dolls this week, so I have 4 of them, and hopefully we will be getting more of her. If all of the 4 that I have, let me know which ones you have, which one is your favorite, who is your favorite Rainbow High doll, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will talk to you guys really soon. Talk to you. Bye.